Eddy Current Separator for scrap metal separation. Jaykrishna Magnetics Pvt Limited is the most trusted manufacturer and supplier of Eddy Current Separator. We have manufactured highly efficient eddy current separator for aluminium recovery processing line. In this video, we have conducted a trial video of our newly developed eddy current separator. As you see, to make a successful trial of our eddy current separator, we mixed lots of metals, magnetic and other non-metallic impurities. In aluminium recovery processing line, material passes through our highly efficient magnetic drum, where the magnetic impurities separated by our efficient magnetic drum. The other material pass on the conveyor belt for the further separation process. As you see, the separation process of metallic and non-metallic impurities by our highly advanced eddy current separator. Separated metallic impurities. Removed non-metallic impurities. We have used high-intensity magnets and dual vibratory feeder for the effective separation process. To know more about eddy current separator, visit our website www.magnetic.com.